salamat na lang sa lahat ng nanonood sa atin dito sa SNA and SNA HD, Liga and Liga HD. Nagkaroon po, Boom Gonzalez, Nina Alvia, at panel at large, mamaya po Creamline versus Petrogas, the defending champions against the reinforced champions.
Exciting second game.
Bitin ni Mirai. 1-0. Impo from the opposite side says it's out, says the linesman. Confirmed by referee Castillo. One all.
Lisa Mirai. For Chef's Classic.
It's like shadow lang. Hirap sa pwesto natin. Two. Nose coverage, but couldn't keep it in play. Angeles did a good job chasing behind itong si Justin Chu. Good siya, kaya lang naiingat ang bola ng tama.
Yes, and good win by Angustia, single block.
Back set. Masangkay. Cat. Kanyang usual na duelo. Angeles na naman. Good reaction. Hughes sends it over for a chance more para sa Choco Mucho. Balik kay Cat Tolentino. Ngayon naman, walang nasa likod.
Tolentino. 3. Serving 1.
Huli na. Angeles trying to work hard here in this game. As most Limeros really do. Cuevas goes to the back. Isa. Masangkay goes to the middle to Angustia. Q. Uelo. Masangkay. Angustia na naman. Angeles will set it. Jingay. Pineda. Up to Cat. Mababa yan.
Yes, mahirap yung angle na galing likod yung set for Cat. So talagang nabitin na lang siya sa kanyang buwelo doon.
Is back in the game.
Trisha Paras.
Chef's Classics. Time Trisha Paras will serve. Masangkay, nice setup.
Yun yung sinasabi natin ng kanina pa na talagang ang perfect nung reception netong Choco Mucho team. Kaya naman yung middle blockers netong Choco Mucho talagang gumagana. Maraming nagagawang plays ito si Miss Masangkay.
Ayan, Angustia.
Saran kanina na libero, and of course Pineda, para ka na rin may dalawang libero on the floor. She's there, obviously. That's out.
Arceo's out. +1 for Chef's Classic.
For Ariana May. 3 will be serving 4.
Guy Bangan.
Guys,
Ring
Bangan.
for the Lady Red Spikers.
Kiliana. Ipo. Back to Tew. Tew over the blockers. Pineda keeping it alive. Back to Sydney. Inabot ni Juanillo.
Well read by Juanillo.
As we are at 4-all. Second set action. Let's go back to Nina Alvia.
Boom and Jamai asked PBL newbie Bien Juanillo how she's enjoying her stay here in the PBL, and she said she's really happy, especially with her growth as a pro league player, and she's really excited to go up against other teams. Alam niyo ba na her favorite volleyball player is Abby Maranyo because they were teammates in another league, at lagi daw siyang nagbibigay ng motivational speeches sa buong team. Bien also shared to me that she once texted Abby Maranyo to wait for her in the national team. Since that is Bien's goal, ang reply lang ni Abby sa kanya ay bilisan para umabot sila so they can play in the same team once again.
Speaking of former LSU Lady Spikers, Justin Tew gets it through the block. 5-all.
Team captain, Justin Tew.
Captain
for Chef's Classic.
Set number 2.
And she scores off the hand of
Strong
Impo.
serve from Justin Tew.
Lady Red Spikers now at the lead.
Nalito si Cindy dun. Minsan yung bola na yan, dumadating si...
Nagpo-float kasi medyo mahirap talagang kunin.
Alam mo, nandun ka sa harap ng bola, biglang nag-iiba yung direksyon. Miss Masangkay, Viray,
Net touch.
good idea.
Masangkay.
Kaya lang sumabit. Ulo ba ang sumabit, Jem, o kamay?
Kamay niya.
Kamay din.
Yeah. Minsan may kita mo na parang pag nakita mo kasi dikit yung bola sa net,
Yun.
manggigigil ka na lang ng drop ball eh.
Scraping the net. And sila on the offense.
Positional four.
Positional
Chef's
four para
Classic.
sa Chef's Classics. Sayang, namigay ng puntos.
Yes, free point para sa Choco Mucho. Yun yung mga dapat iwasan natin sa laro eh, na sobrang liit na error.
Sayang kasi. One na Pangilal. At that time as Juanillo. Chef's Classic will get the
Net
point.
touch.
Somebody touched the net, I believe.
Called on Pineda. First technical
Referee
timeout.
Castillo calling it.
That's classic.
Eagle-eyed Referee Castillo. 8-6 lamang ang Chef's Classics. Ako'y nanonood ng PBL Open Conference 2019 kung saan naglalaro ang Chef's Classics. Lady Red Spikers kontra Choco Mucho Flying Titans. In the second game, we have Creamline Gold Smashers versus the Petrogas Angels and Chef's Classics po. One of our new teams here na huli rin naglaro. I think it took them a week bago sila naglaro ng kanilang very first game. They are 0-2. Lost against Motolite. And they also lost to Creamline. And then,
Technical time.
kalaban nila Choco Mucho today. Kalaban nila Banco Perlas bukas.
Yes, I believe napakahirap ng schedule nila dahil back-to-back games. And then, especially Isa Viray is also playing games in the conference.
Plus one.
Pa.
Choco Mucho.
And a service error of the
Captain
technical timeout
Madaya.
cuts that lead to 2.
Choco Mucho.
Take that one, sorry. 7 serving 8. Viray sends it out again.
Outside shot.
Over-adjusting on that one.
They're tied at
Parang
8.
tunog pa lang nung tama sa kamay. Mali na.
Yes, kasi napakalayo nung binigay sa kanyang set ni Paraso. Ginawa niya ng paraan. Kaya lang, sobrahan sa kapig.
That sails out. Namigay rin ng puntos
For Chef's
ang
Classic.
Choco Mucho.
Point para sa Chef's Classics.
Choco Mucho 1-1. Beating Valley Pure in their
Becca
first
Cuevas.
meeting, first game, and then of course
The
falling
Lady Red
to the
Spikers.
Pacific Town Army Lady Troopers of Coach Kung Fu. Style by Hekiliana. Angeles. Cuevas. Viray. Masangkay to Augustia. Cuevas. Back set. Bangad. Masangkay picks it up. Hekiliana will send it to Bang. And hindi na nakahabol si Justin Tew.
9-all.
Good down the line hit from Bang Pineda. Nakita mo kung hindi ganun kalakas yung palong na kumbaga nilagay na lang ni Bang.
Ganda no ha.
Yes, kaya dahil wala nang tao doon.
Halos cut shot na nga yun dahil ang forma ng kanyang katawan pagitna.
Choco Mucho.
9-all. Tew from afar. Malayo rin. Palo sa lumawang ganito.
Ito na.
Choco Mucho flying
Choco Mucho.
Titans.
Now,
Out for Justin.
service. Masangkay.
Pineda, the rest of Choco Mucho with a 1-set lead. Tew. Cuevas. Patalikod. Viray. The drop. Chance ball. Easy over. Chef's Classics. Pinili si Bangad sa kabila. Cuevas ulit. Dadali naman kay Viray dito sa open. Malakas na naman.
Right.
Ay,
So
eh,
well
actually,
played.
sumama.
Inside.
They're tied at 10.
Thought it was gonna sail out, but it dropped in the last second. Yun, maganda kasi yung Vectus net. Top spin on the ball during gonna call it over. Not gonna call it over. 4 touches ay tatawag ni referee Castillo. Mababa daw, sabi niya kay
And then
Coach
cross,
Nemesio.
4 touches.
Daw naabot ng
Although
block.
Chef's
Choco
class.
Mucho.
11, 10.
So, we had a chance.
Bang Pineda for the serve.
11-10. Paras. AC. Paras, bump set to Justin 2.
2 off the net.
That one
and
finds the
in.
line.
We're tied
Ganda
at
ng
11.
cross-court hit ni
Oo
Choco
nga.
Mucho.
Kanina pa, ano?
Yeah, nakita niya kasi nasa harap niya si Kat Tolentino, kaya naman nila niya sa cross-court. Gaya ng sabi ni Coach Gavino kanina, Kat Tolentino yan, iwasan natin
Chef's
mag
class.
in front of her.
Cuevas, pinili si Jingay na naman, pero hindi maganda yung tama nung kamay sa bola.
12 to
That
11.
was out.
Ouch. 5 points in the last outing. If you look at some of your tweets, Chef's Classics, people wrote nice, right? Ari, Jonathan, namiss ko yung bat. Okay. Kapag nakapatay ng bola si Sheila Pineda. Namiss lang namin si Bat, period.
Yes. At nagbabalik spider
Well,
ulit itong si Bang Pineda.
Speak acts, missing Bea in the middle, but liking the place of Angustia. Yun ang sinabi ko in the last game, first game that I covered, as we said, na nalaban lagi ng Choco Pucho, but the classic
Chef's
Chef's
classic.
from Ken Ramos, sabi kasi Angustia na nakikinabang dun sa outfits talaga ni Bea De Leon and making the most of it, ano, na nagpapakita rin talaga siya.
Yes, ang gusto niya kasi napakasipag pumasok, napaka-bilis ng paghingi ng bola sa kanyang center. So makita mo talaga na parang ready siya lagi. Kung anumang bola, anumang katapat niya.
Time. Andy gives him a 1-point lead, 13-12 sa kanyang attack sa gitna. Tolentino. Check. Cuevas. Up. Justin.
2 down the line.
Pineda couldn't keep it in play.
Yes, change angle naman yung spike doon ni Justin Q. Pinadaan niya dun sa mas maliit na blocker.
Which is, of course, si Ace Masangkay.
Captain, 15-2
Adi Manayari.
for Chef's classic.
The serve. Hegeliana is still in play. Angeles. Cuevas. Back to Viray. Ipo. Ace to Ban. Viray. Long rally here. Cuevas. Talisod ng saglit. Bangat. Masangkay. Run and gun. Lumusot. Pinalik. Bang will set it up. Tolentino. Oh! And that's out.
Ball is out. 14 to
Good
13.
angle pero napalakas lang ng konti.
Perfect angle. Wala saan ang tao doon. Good, no? Just a little more muscle. Chef's Classics back in the lead. Cat like to swipe it off. Nakakuha pa ng puntos.
Ball is out.
Yan yung sinasabi natin na ang mga outside spikers talaga dapat magaling mag-adjust. Dahil lahat ng bola halos na nasa kanila. Either you drop it or you spike it.
Tolentino.
Dapat marunong kang sumilid ng depensa ng
Pensa,
kalas.
oh. Captain serving. Ooh, right intention. Ganda sana ng play dyan kasi walang sumabay kay Juanillo, kay Bien Juanillo.
Yes, ang ganda nung spike na yun sana kung inside.
Ingay ano yung kanyang
Ano lang sa slip.
oh. Just flipping down as
That's too long.
Catolino too much muscle
15 all.
behind that serve. So 15 all. Coach Oliver Almantro not happy, obviously.
Bien Juanillo. Serving the Lady Red Spikers.
Valentino gets it. Malayo sa net at si Manny. So 16-15 and again it is a Chef's Classics.
Chef's Classic.
Lady Red Spikers with the lead going to a technical timeout. po ang inyong PBL Open Conference. Magandang hapon muli, Lou Gonzalez, kasama ang ating best friend, idol, Jen Ferrer, three-time best setter in the UAAP. May laro sila bukas sa mga kalaban nila, the Chef's Classics, Lady Red Spikers. Pero today, ang kalaban ng Lady Red Spikers are the Choco Mucho Flying Titans 16-15. Dikit pa rin ang laro, Jem.
Yes, napaka-close game na ito. Ilang sets kaya abutin natin po.
Parang napaparinig ka. Ako, wala. Kanina pa ako nandito. Kitchen conference pa lang eh. Kaya okay lang.
Siyempre, nag-enjoy naman tayo sa
Oo.
game. So, kahit ilang sets yan, maganda yung laban.
Oo, nung Wednesday, 5 and 4. Diba? Ganun yung nangyari, no? 5 and 4. Right now, I wouldn't be surprised dahil nakikilan pa rin tayo kanina. Choco Mucho only coming from behind to win that first set. Now they have a chance here. They're up by 2. Piray.
Madayag off the block.
Ganda nung spot na yun for Manny Madayag. Hindi na niya kailangan ibaon dahil nakita niya walang tao dun sa corner.
Captain,
Na naka-adjust si Bien Juanillo.
Choco Mucho.
Maddie serves. Mababa.
3 point for Chef's
Another
Classic.
point for Chef's Classics. Sinasabi natin na dapat iwasan yung mga simple errors dahil sayang yung nahabol mo or sayang yung kalamangan mo.
Ito yung yung kanina, 18-13 nung nag-run. Itong Choco Mucho. Right now, it is 18-16. Bang is checked by Bangat. Cuevas. Balik kay Jingay. Jingay! Oy, tama yung intention pero over-adjusting on that one.
Yes, bad execution. Sayang, no? Ganda sana ng set play na yun.
Ganda ng bigay ni Cuevas. Kita mo, pati mukha ni Coach Capino. Naghihinayang.
BC Masangkay. Serving for the Flying Titans.
Cuevas, sorry, Angeles waiting. It's the first ball. Piray on the piston play. Cuevas unable to get it up. Ito na. 18-16 earlier.
Tied at
2 straight
18.
points para sa Choco Mucho. And ito na naman, trying to make their move.
Nagkaroon ng miscommunication doon si Cuevas and Angeles.
Masangkay.
But yung mga ganung bola, dapat ang kumukuha na ng libero talaga eh.
Piray uses the net. They get the lead
shot
back
or
at 19.
for Chef's Classic. Lead by 1 point. Lisa Viral with the serve.
Piray 19-18. Masangkay. Angat to 2. Rolls into the other side and it works.
Yes,
20.
napakasimple yung palo. Galing kay Justin G. Nakita niya.
Time out.
Not goal,
Choco
walang tao
Mucho.
doon.
Coach Oliver tatawag ng timeout.
Masyado tayong nag-expect na may kukuha ng trabaho natin eh. Pangalawa. Di ba i-explain ko na kanina yun eh. Pangalawa ba? Hindi mo pwedeng direct na ka lang dito. Yung pagka dito yung pinag-focus mo dito eh. Madali sila dyan sa'yo. Madali yan. Pahirapan mo naman yung malaban na punta dito. Yan, Arian. Kung kailan naman nasa harap mo yung bola, tsaka mo inagtasad, di mo inabot. Ilang beses nyo, Cindy, sobra ka naman. Dito lang tayo. Again, you have to ask. You have to help each other. You have to ask for it. If you're ready, you have to ask for it.
Choco Mucho down 18-16. They tied it at 18 all pero dalawang sunod na puntos para dito sa Chef's Classics.
In the second set.
This girl
Still serving.
has
Number
been a
9.
spitfire
Viral.
for them. Sa Piray. Is Masangkay up.
Imbo.
Sayang,
And the
hindi na yan ibira yung bola. She was there.
19.
Yeah, she was there pero medyo nawalan ng control.
Control. Eh, kita mo pati siya, na-frustrate siya eh.
Sayangan siya
Oo.
dahil nandun na siya eh.
Bang Pineda. Serving for Choco Mucho.
Panting at the back serving. Chu. Coverage. Chu puts it
Two,
away.
Regalo.
Regalo para kay
21.
Justin Chu.
19.
Si Ate Justin.
Substitution.
And Ila Santos Nang is coming
Kicks
in.
out. 24.
For Van Pineda.
Santos na. In.
At this point, they're down to 19-21.
Lucia Faras.
Legendary Manila Santos ng
Oh, kilala mo kaya. High school pa.
yes.
It's a good ball. Masangkay. Oh! Coach Camilo.
The shoulder of Faras.
Good reflexes. Yes. Oo, tama.
21.
Yun yung sinasabi natin na kanina pa tina-target netong Choco Mucho yung corner eh. Nangyayari sa depensa netong Chef's Classics, sumusukat
Ayan ang
sila
gusto.
paharap.
Tapos nagugulat pagpatalaglag
Butterfly.
na.
Yes.
Titans.
Gustia. Chu sa gitna. Santos
Two
na
of the
could not
hand of
get to it.
Masangkay.
And
22.
it's a 2-point
20.
lead. Can the Chefs Classics Lady Red Spikers close out this second set?
As you can see, Nobu, medyo naging relax yung laro netong Chef's Classic
Dahil
dahil
pa-
maganda yung naging communication nila
Chef's
between
Classic.
two different plays. Gaya nung kanina, they had patong play for this team.
Valentino turned back by
And
Juanillo.
Justin Tew
23.
and the rest of the
to
gang,
20.
Bien Juanillo and all of that, celebrating
Timeout.
this 3-point
Choco
lead.
Mucho.
Coach Oliver will call another timeout.
Walang instruction yung bibigay doon eh. Walang ball awareness, walang court awareness cut eh. Nakikita mo yung bola, tumitigil, titapon mo sa dulo, di tsaka tayo recover uli. You don't know what to do. Naghihintayan kayo, matin cut. Sabi nagagagawa niya sa sarili niya naman. Eh, kung tawagin mo kung bibigyan mo or hindi. Kung wala, now, dadalawa na naman spiker, Madi, nandito ka na naman nakasaksak. Di ba dito ka nagagaling? O di pwede dito, pwede dito. Oh, ito.
Chef's Classics looking to tie this at one set
20
apiece.
is the score here in the second
This
set.
is
Chef's Classic.
so far
on
really
top.
been a good game
Serving
for
zone.
Chef's Classic.
Well,
Kahit balikan mo yung
Jinglay,
first set, ano?
Tama.
Ganda nung nilaro nila. Biglang nila natapos ng maganda. So they're slowly getting more confident as this conference goes by. Their third game. Looking for their first win. Tew. Nang. Masangkay. Doon na naman. Kay
Madayag,
Madayag.
off the block.
Binigay.
21 to
That
23.
touch, makita mo, Nobu, same spot pa rin talaga yung pinapalo
Tama.
ng middle blockers ng Choco Mucho.
Choco Mucho. 4 out.
Balen
11.
and Tikar will come in. Imbo
One out.
and Masangkay will move out.
Allen. In.
Ayan, Tikar who will set
Ayan, Tikar.
Balen, Maddie, and
Ryan
Kat.
Tyson.
Shaq Balen. And the full front line talking about Choco Mucho. Miray, hindi na lang dun sa
Mirai with a
likod.
well-placed shot.
And Ina
Chef's
Santos
Classic
na could
now
not
at
get to the
set point
spot.
advantage.
Ganda ng palo, no?
Yes, kahit na medyo malayo yung naging set, talagang hinahanap na lang niya yung bonus.
Captain, Justin Chu.
We are at set point
Into the set.
with set number 2. Car bumps it. Magkakataon para sa Chef's Classics. Pinuntahan nila si Miray. Nandun si Dayan. Ekiliana to Palek. Cuevas back to Miray. Over the block and it's out.
Ball is out. 22 to 24.
Maniniguro si Coach Camilo.
Time
Time out
out.
muna.
Chef's Classic.
Hey, tatlo spiker sa harap. Ano yung spiker sa harap ka ba? Dalawa? Sige, isa. Takbo ka ng big. Tapos gitna si isa. Ito ang target mo isa. Pag isa ng blocker mo, dalawa yan. Bukas siya pareho. Pero pumasok mo na namin. Pag hindi sa papayo, ano, isa lang, sa pasa lang, ha?
Ang service, obviously, sa Choco Mucho, so sila may pagkakataong umipensa, as you see the rest of Motolite
Mucho.
scouting
24 out.
for their team
Neda.
tomorrow.
Yes po, during that time out, narinig natin kay Coach Davino
Just
na
2 points for
iwasan
Choco
pa rin
Mucho.
si Kato into the bad.
97
Ngayon, nakita natin, back row na si Kat.
Center
So,
zone, number 10.
siguro, mag-iba sila ng play, let's see.
Dalawang spikers, ni Cuevas, Juanillo, and Viray. At pinuntahan si Bien, and Bien puts it away. And the Chefs
For Chef
Classics
25.
Lady Red Spikers celebrate their very first set win here in the PVL Open Conference.
Yes, ilang sets tayo, kaya boom.
Ewan ko, parang nagpaparinig ka.
Maganda yung laban ngayon against Chef's Classics and Choco
Maganda.
Mucho.